right, how's it going today? Today's 22nd October. I just want to show you how bad this weather is out here in Las Vegas. Okay, it's about 6 something. Okay, let me find out exactly. To be exact, let me see here. Give me 1 sec here. 6:10 p.m. So we still have quite a bit of daylight, maybe about another hour of daylight. But this weather is bad. These clouds are bad here. And it's a wind advisory, also a lightning advisory, although there's no lightning yet, okay? Let me get where there's some better light at, okay? How's everybody doing today, by the way? Hope everybody's had a good weekend. Y'all be safe in your travels and so forth. I know we got college homecomings and so forth. Hey, man, you guys have a good time, all right? I just went to mine after 25 years last week when I went up to Norfolk, Virginia. All right, but let's get right into it. So, because of this wind, you guys got to be careful if you're in Las Vegas. Now, when we were young, the first day of the 2-day concert was canceled. It was down on the fairgrounds, down in Midtown on Sahara. I just know of Avril Laverne and Chemical Romance. It's supposed to be a punk pop genre. I guess that was prevalent in the 2010s. I remember when I took a music class when I went to community college. The class briefly spoke on that, and it was a garage, I don't know, type of garage type genre where they started the bands in garages, and at one point in time it got popular for a brief period of time in the 2010s. Well, they wanted to bring that back, okay? Live Nation, that's the promoting company that brought that back. And but like I say though, this wind makes it a big problem. Okay? Sorry about that. Let me get again where it's better light. That's better. All right, so you guys be safe out there. I think as a result, a lot of the groups are doing makeshift stuff in some of the casinos. They got the hockey game, and people, I guess, they're just doing their own thing. And you know, those tickets were running between, I think, $500. I just had a group that those ladies had bought their ticket for $500 a month in advance just for one night. And they had to wait 30 days. I guess that's the refund policy to get a refund. 30 days. Tomorrow night show, people could get tickets, but it was supposed to run from $600 to $2,000. All right? I just think that it's capitalization, and I just think that's a sign of just things are just costing too much out here in Las Vegas. I'm sorry. It's getting to where it's not cheap to come here. I mean, it's very expensive to come here. You know, unless you're going to have money. I think that's a sign. You can't really have a good time without spending $2,000 to $3,000 just to consider everything on one event. But look, on a better note, you know, I guess people are just trying to make it work. You know, so if you come here, just do your thing. All right. I guess you have to find an event that you like and just center everything else around that. A couple other things. I want to take it back that I said that the Raiders had a bye tomorrow, the 23rd. Actually, they play the Texans in the stadium tomorrow. So the bye was last week on the 16th. So I apologize for that. All right. Got that mixed up there. So good luck on the Raiders. Let's see what they're going to do. They're going to right their wrongs. And that's about it. So let me know what you think about the video. Okay? And feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave your comments, Cash App, $ Winston Spy if you want to donate. Now, I'm going to go back to work. Okay? You guys be safe out here.